Back again with another Meekum Kissimmee video, and let's take a look at the 1969 Dodge Coronet today. Dodge built just 107 Hemi-powered Coronet RTs for 1969, and only 39 of those were equipped with an automatic transmission, including this one. The Dodge Coronet name actually dates back to the 1940s, but it truly found its identity in the late 1960s when Dodge repositioned it as a mid-size performance car. By the height of the musclecar era, the Coronet became a serious platform for big power, offering lighter weight and a more stripped-down feel compared to flashier models. When the Coronet RT debuted in 1967, it represented Dodge's no-nonsense approach to speed. It was built for straight-line performance rather than luxury or styling gimmicks. While it often lived in the shadow of the Charger, the Coronet earned a reputation among enthusiasts as a more purposeful, harder-edged muscle car. Under the hood sits its original 426 cubic inch Hemi V8, freshly rebuilt with just 500 miles since completion. Backing it up is the original Torque Flight automatic transmission paired with the original Code 56 differential. The odometer currently shows 53,800 miles, and the drivetrain combination delivers exactly what the Hemi name promises: massive torque, instant throttle response, and unmistakable presence. What truly elevates this Coronet is its documentation and originality. It still retains its original broadcast sheet and original fender tag, which are two critical pieces of Mopar paperwork that confirm how the car was built from the factory. And for collectors, details like this are essential to have, and unfortunately the Meekum website does not display this, but I can only assume, similar to all the other models that I've covered, that they are telling the truth with this. The car has been repainted once in its original B5 blue color. A new vinyl top has been added along with new carpet, while the dash and heater box have been restored to maintain a factory-correct look and feel. Options like power steering and power brakes make it a far more drivable car as well compared to other Hemi cars at the time. Inside you'll find bucket seats with a console delete, column shifter, a period correct touches including AM radio converted to AM FM, and even a rear window defogger, which is a surprisingly rare feature for a hardcore muscle car like this one. The 1969 Coronet RT often lives in the shadow of cars like the Charger and the Super Bee, but that's exactly what makes it special. It's more understated and more exclusive than other cars such as the Chargers at the time. This is a car for collectors who value documentation, originality, and mechanical purity over flash. Finding an ultra-low mile Hemi Coronet like this is super rare, and there's just one opportunity to own this one, and that will be at Meekum Kissimmee's auction. I'll link the link to the auction in the description below, but for more videos just like this one, feel free to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.